I would like to say a thanks to my mate Stuart Creswell for this nomination Ice Bucket Challenge. He did it in his suit, but I think he was a big loose. So for there, it's got to be done. I'd like to do this for cancer research and my nominations. Good bit. Firstly, John Hewitson, my good friend and my right hand man at business, and for that matter, all the staff at Kennedy Plumbers, all the plumbers, joiners, everybody. I would also like to nominate Stuart Gavin. I would like to nominate Rosemary Kavanagh and Pat Kavanagh. We get 48 hours. We get 48 hours, guys. Woo. Woo. Right, do what you have to do. Jesus. I'm with this.
Hey, well, God, just love it.
48 hours.